Welcome. In front of me I have Nokia 5.3 and today I'll show you how you can activate Google Assistant on this smartphone. So at first you have to open the Google folder and next open Google app. Tap on More, move to the settings. Let's go for Google Assistant. And there was two ways how we can turn it on. The first one, if you got the latest version of this app, you have to scroll down and after that you will here find the general settings. But I have the oldest version, so you have to go for the assistant, scroll down and find your assistant devices, phone, then tap right here on the switcher, and as you can see right now, when you go here, we can easily use our assistant. And if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.